How do I enter employee stock purchase plan sales in Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. An employee stock purchase plan is a program that some companies offer to their employees, allowing them to purchase shares of company stock at a discounted price. ESPPs are designed to encourage employee ownership and provide employees with a way to invest in the company they work for. Your employer will send you Form 3922 if you bought ESPP stock during the tax year. If you didn't sell any ESPP stock, there's no need to enter anything from your Form 3922. Just keep it for whenever you do decide to sell. If you sold ESPP shares, you'll be taxed on the profits and a portion of the income may be reflected in your W-2. You will also receive a 1099-B that reports the sale. To enter your employee stock purchase plan, open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com. Then over here, you want to click on the login/sign up option, then select My JH account. After that, enter all the credentials and then click on the sign in option. Now with your return open, search for 1099-B and select the jump to link. Have your 1099-B, Form 3922 for the shares you sold, and W-2 available for reference. When you enter your 1099-B, follow the screens to enter your sale info. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.